Okay, we are back with the ID Mate Quest Part 2. Now, we're currently in ID mode, which I just covered in Part 1. Now, you may remember a mode on the ID Mate Summit known as Barcode ID. In this, that has been renamed. It is now called Barcode Number. I don't know why Envision America changed the name, but they did. So let's have a look at Barcode ID. So I got the peanut butter in my hand again.
ID mode. Barcode number.
Now we'll just scan this.
04801006430.
So that's the 20-digit or whatever code. So just so you can see it, I'll do it again. I'll let you hear this again.
04801006430.
Okay, that's barcode number.
Memo.
Now we come to memo.
No memos in memory.
And I don't use this feature just like I didn't on the Summit. So let's create a test memo for this YouTube video.
Press and hold the record button to start recording.
So we'll do that. This is a test of the awesomely improved memo recorder on the ID Mate Quest. This is a test for the YouTube video. This is a test of the awesomely improved memo recorder on the ID Mate Quest. This is a test for the YouTube video. So as you can tell, the quality of that is awesome. The mic on this thing must be about 10 times better than what was on the Summit. So, next mode.
Skype.
We're going to ignore
Currency. Press select button to take snapshot.
Sadly, I don't have a bill in front of me, but I'll just press select to do it. So I get to hear the process, basically what would happen. Now I'm going to move my... Well, first I'm going to turn myself away, and I'm going to move the camera. This is a very bright flash.
Snapshot captured. Please wait while currency identification is in progress. No match.
Now all this currency identification and the Google Price Check that we saw earlier, that is done through the new Wi-Fi connectivity on the Quest. Okay, next mode.
MP3 player. Press next or previous to select a playlist.
Now, I only have the sample stuff.
Music samples, press select to start playing songs.
So we'll just look at the sample. I could have put some music on this. Sounds good. Okay.
System.
Now we're at system.
Battery 76%. Current date and time, Thursday, December 27th, 2012, 1:06 a.m.
Yes, I am recording this at 1:06 a.m. Now, you may remember this from the Summit, but the system mode has changed quite a bit. It's actually quite amazing what they've done here. So we're gonna go through it together.
Wireless settings. Press select to enter.
I don't want to go in there. I'm gonna make some more like tutorials on setting up Wi-Fi, and I'll give a better demo of the currency and possibly Skype.
System language American English. Press select to enter system language settings.
This is the only way to actually change the voice.
Press next or previous to select system language. Press erase to exit from system language settings. Australian English. Voice, Lee. Press select to use this voice. Press erase to cancel.
Now let's give you a little sample. This is Lee. She's Australian.
System language set to Australian English. Voice speed 100. System language Australian English. Press select to enter system language settings. Press next or British English. Voice, Daniel. Press select to use this voice.
I'm sure
Press
you've all
erase
heard
to
him.
cancel. System language set to British English. Wireless settings. Press select to enter. System language British English. Press next or
And you
previous.
also have-
Canadian French, German, Mexican Spanish, American English. Voice, Tom. Press select to use this voice.
System language set to American English.
Now, American English, as you can imagine, is what it comes on by default.
Voice speed 100.
Now let's basically
Press
self-explanatory.
select to enter voice speed settings.
I've actually never went in there because I'm happy with the speed.
ID mode playback settings, manual. Press
Now,
select
in there you
to
have-
change ID mode playback settings.
In there you have auto and manual. You know, when I scanned the barcode earlier, it said continued. Well, instead of doing that, if you have it set on auto, it will just read it all out to you, which really does get annoying.
Barcode number, 20 digits. Press select to edit barcode number settings.
Now, by default, that is disabled, so it'll be on off.
Inventory mode, disabled.
Same with inventory.
Press select to enable inventory mode.
And if anyone would like a demo of that, please feel free to let me know. I might even make it anyway.
Scanner timeout, 30 seconds. Press select to enter the scanner timeout settings.
Now, you may remember on the Summit I had that set to 5. But on this I put it to 30 because I realized a little problem with this. Which, we can cover that at the end.
Memo record settings, append.
That I never went
Press
into.
select to change the record settings. Skype mode, enabled. Press select to confirm setting the Skype mode.
So that's basically for Skype, setting up your Skype account.
MP3 player, playback settings, sequential.
And that's set to random by
Press
default.
select to change MP3 player, playback settings.
Now, I'm just not going into these just to save time. Come on.
Google Price Track, enabled.
You can turn
Press
that
select key to change Google Price Check
Now,
setting.
actually,
Press
I will
erase
go in
to
here.
exit from Google Price Check setting. Press select key to confirm Google Price Check setting to disable. Google Price Track setting change completed.
off. So you may remember, your settings have been saved. Like on the old one. But this is a bit different. Okay, so let's go in. Again.
Press select key to confirm Google Price Check setting enable. Press next or previous key to select your favorite store. Ace Hardware, Walmart, Ace Hardware, Barnes & Noble, Bumblebee, Vibe.com, CVS, GNC, Home Depot, JCPenney, Kmart, Lowe's, Macy's, Meijer, NetGrocer, Office Depot, Office Max, Rite Aid, Sam's Club, Sears, Target, Toys R Us, Walgreens, Walmart, Ace Hardware, Barnes & Noble, Bumblebee, Vibe.com, CVS.
And by default, that's set on Walmart. So we'll press on that.
Press select key to confirm CVS as your favorite store. Press erase to exit from Google Price Check setting. Google Price Track setting change completed. Memory card properties. Total disk space 8 GB. Free 6.45 GB. Used 959.00 MB. Date and time settings. Press select to enter.
And that will be another tutorial.
Barcode Database version, IDMate Database North America version 5.1.8, data copyright, and Vision America, 2012, all rights reserved.
And then after that, we have
Barcode Database Update. Press Select to update your UPC or EAN barcode database.
that will let you update your database, and on the IDMate Quest, those updates are free.
Software version 1.1.0 built on October 23, 2012. Dictionary version 5.3.3. Serial number Q1000 software update. Press Select to enter.
Now that will allow you to update the firmware. And after the serial number, you didn't get to hear this, but it will say the IP address.
Upload log files. Press Select to enter.
You should only do that if you're asked to do that from Envision America.
Factory reset settings mode. Press Select to perform factory reset.
Okay, and we should be back to
Battery 74%, current date and time, Thursday, December 27th, 2012, 1:13 a.m.
And now we have
Help. Help 1. Introduction. IDMate Quest is the world's first, fully portable, barcode system for the visually impaired. Quest uses innovative technologies such as barcode scanning, camera-based imaging, digital voice recording, and text-to-speech. These technologies allow for the identification of hard-to-identify items in the world. The barcode scanning feature uses a large, preloaded database of products and their descriptions. Along with this preloaded data, the user can add information on the fly by recording voice messages associated with any barcode. Press the Next button to continue Help 1.
We won't do that, but that's basically how the IDMate Quest works. Don't worry, I'll upload more so I can show everything, but you get the idea. So I'm going to press power and watch what happens.
Press the power button again to power down. Press any button to cancel.
We'll power it down.
Powering down.
And now it's shutting itself off. So Gallagher123123 will now sign off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.